Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can use sheets in Canva. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to log in our Canva account and then we can create sheets different way. On the home page we can directly click here, it will generate on sheet, or there is another option. If we try to press this plus button, which is create button, if we click here it will bring this window. From here we have to choose sheets, and here we are seeing this is the default sheet and these are the sheet template. We can choose any of this template to choose these sheets and it will open like this way. Now inside the sheet we have different options are there. We can choose one of the template also from here, but I'm not going to do this thing, but you can do this thing. And here we are seeing that this is like Excel sheet, and now we can do lots of things. This is on page of the sheet, like Excel org book. There is multiple sheets are there. This is on sheet, and if we want to add more sheets, there is on plus button. We can click here and it will bring other page. We can also add some function like sum, multiply. We can also do like regular math we can do in Canva. So to do this thing, at first there is a fx function. This is the function area. We just need to click it over here and then it will bring this type of cursor. It will be blinking. Now to insert any function, we just need to type equal, and then we can choose lots of options are there like sum, average, count, minimum, maximum. So many functions are there, and if we choose all function, it will give all the list of functions which Canva is supporting right now. To add a sum, at first we need to click this sum, and then we have to choose the value. We can click here, or we can add some value over there. So in this way we can also in sheets in Canva. So there are many things you can do day by day. It will add, and also on the top side, on top of this sheet you will see different options are there like actions. From here we can generate table, then fill empty cells. So many things we can do in a single click right now. And also there is also, this is the format of the number, which type of format it will show, and there is more format options are there. We can also choose any of this format to add those things. Now also there is also magic chart is also there. Based on our data, it will generate this magic like a magic table using this option. And also there is other thing also, like we can change the font size, font, and so many things. These are the text color, bold, and so many things. So that's it. So in this way we can use Canva sheet so that we can work like Excel in Canva. That's it guys. Thank you for watching the video.